Want to know my secret for making videos in English?
Diskutieren sobre baloncesto en español und Gedichte über die neuesten Descript-Funktionen auf Deutsch rezitieren?
Well, I didn't have a million years to learn all these languages fluently. I just use Descript. Because our translation features make it easier than ever to reach a global audience. You can dub your translated video into over 30 languages with our native sounding AI speakers. And with our lip sync feature, your video doesn't just sound authentic, it looks authentic too.
Les pommes vertes sont évidemment un type de pomme. Elles sont acidulées, croustillantes et d'une couleur verte très vive.
Once that's set, I'll have Underlord translate all my text layers too, so the whole video feels completely native in any language. Boom! Just like that, I am a multilingual machine. And if you're on a business or enterprise plan, you can fine-tune translations right in the transcript. And use Brand Studio's Do Not Translate list to keep your brand terms exactly as they should be. So now I can easily expand my audience worldwide. That's right, the world's about to get a lot more of Ramdy. Don't worry, there's plenty to go around.